I think is absolutely disgusting. It's absolutely awful. There's no character there. As I said before, they've just ripped out the heart of Caernarfon, and they've ripped out the heart of the people of Caernarfon. There's an apathy here. I mean, you've only got to come and work with me for a week and see how the business is in Caernarfon, and the whole idea, the whole concept is bad. Absolutely awful.
I like the square as it is, the way it's been modernised. I used to like it the way it was all them years ago when I was a kid, and you had the fountains and the buses, and I think the Maes was then a heart of our community in Caernarfon. I think that aspect of it's been lost, but I do like the fact that we, have modernised it and brought it to the 21st century. I like the layout. The only concern I have is there's a lot of open space there, and when people actually go into the Maes now with the cars, I mean, there seems to be no direction as to where they're going. That could be made a bit clearer for drivers, but no, in general, I like it. Overall, I think it's a positive thing.
Looks very nice, but it's a bit confusing for motorists because there aren't any lines to show you where you're supposed to drive. It'll be nice in the summer when we get lots of visitors, but it's still very hard for the motorist, I feel.
It's a bit confusing at the moment because I don't think people are aware which way the cars are coming. It seems to be a free-for-all. I think the paving, etc., I would think when weather is bad, I've already had experience of it myself. I think underfoot it's quite dangerous, especially for elderly people. And I think in icy weather especially, the rain is going to, collect in the crevices, and when that freezes over, I think that could be deathly.
Personally, I think it's been a total waste of money. It's just a blank square. It's just no personality to it at all, and I think it's the general consensus of all the people of Caernarfon, to be honest.
The traffic system here is a bit chaotic, though. Everybody I know that drives don't know how to handle it.
They've also stopped traffic coming into Caernarfon from the main Bangor Street area. Does that affect trade and shoppers in Caernarfon?
I think it could do. Particularly in the summer when the tourists come, they don't know how to get in, they might just decide to bypass Caernarfon altogether.
And that could seriously affect trade?
Yes, it could.
It's not too bad, actually. The first time I actually pulled into the square, I was a bit unsure which way to go because it just looked like a pedestrian area. But once you read the signs, and it's brilliant. I like it. It's somewhere safe as well. You can drop off our passengers. And there's been no complaints from the passengers. It's just been on and off, and it's great.
And what about parking for an hour or two? Is that any problem for you?
Nope. We go round and we park in the coach park at the bottom of Morrison's because it costs nothing.
Up to now?
Up to now, yes. Why is it going to change?
It might now.
I hope not.